wait to see how you will use it to build your own prosperity and your own community. Sustainability, good management, working hard, sticking in a disciplined way to make your business grow and work. While we deal with the restoration of a property that has been provided to them by their Member of Parliament, the Honourable Horace Chan, which will be renovated and turned into a home for the elderly, for the Rastafari community. We have also secured wheelchairs from Food for the Poor and furniture to be used to furnish the elderly home. My ministry, the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, transferred cumulatively a sum of $12,718,000 to the Administrator General for the purpose of setting up the trust fund. So today, we formalize the process in the presence of our Rastafari brethren and sisters as part of our program of reconciliation with the Rastafari community.
This long time, girl, me never see you. Come make me hold your hand. This long time, girl, me never see you.
You're just walking up and down like my auntie Ruth, you say, keep by your mouth, the girl tree. You make your fool so Liza, pride out yourself.
Today we begin our 100-day celebration of legacy of Miss Lou and her achievements. The council which resides in my ministry is now poised to take on the collation of data on the industry. This is essential for decision making. We have been speaking about the paucity and inaccuracy of data for a very long time, and so we are ensuring that this is done. So we will have a shelter that would assist or provide coverage for women in the mid-island and also in the east of the island and in the western end of the island. We will convene the Joint Select Committee meetings and move expeditiously to sign off on the bill. I believe that these amendments will prove to be effective in deterring acts of violence against the most vulnerable who have, for too long, been considered easy targets by those who would wish to prey on them. I have all confidence that you will remain committed to being good role models in your various institutions of learning and play your part in making a difference in your schools and communities, and to challenge harmful gender norms and stereotypes. All these films will be made available there. People will be able to go and view those films. And certainly students who are doing their research will find these films, information containing these films, very, very informative. Tonight belongs to Jimmy Cliff. Ska and reggae and other genres, a musician of Jamaica, who is the product of the various genres of Jamaican music, a player of several instruments, singer, an actor, star of stage and screen, and more than anything else, one of Jamaica's greatest poet as a songwriter. I want you to look forward to seeing these young performers. There are some really great performers that are emerging Coffee is one such performer, and I want you all to go out and give them the support in February 2020 when we put them on the road and tour them across the country.
Hush.
And for the first time, they will have an event that will rival what is happening in Kingston. This administrative building is now complete with additional office space, 2 meeting rooms, and yes, a VIP lounge. Most important, this extended building will enable the ACJ to earn additional income, which is a most satisfying prospect. This holistic approach in sports by government is a plan that will provide the enabling environment that our sports people need to achieve global success. It is a plan to bolster investment in coaching, in facilities, and welfare at the national and community levels, as well as in schools. For the time being, the scanners will be used by the Institute of Jamaica and the National Library of Jamaica, which will be holding them in safekeeping for the museum. I've informed this Honourable House that it was our intention to upgrade our aging National Stadium to make it more customer-friendly and more compliant with international sports governing bodies. I also made mention of our intention to develop the Trelawney Stadium to the point where it could be placed at the center of our sport tourism thrust. The government of Jamaica, through the directives of the Honorable Prime Minister, is creating monuments, tangible symbols here in Statue Park, so that our young people can look at these folk heroes and be inspired by them.